Hello, welcome to day 5. We are
So Roma and I planned this out.
Yes.
We were matching, and then we made sure that you
guys-
and Ricky match. Yeah, so
surprise.
I was wearing a plain black shirt, and then Roma said, "Oh, you should match with me. Do you have something else?" So yeah, I have this blue shirt, and she's like, "Oh, okay, yeah, wear that." I was like, "Oh, okay, I guess I have to waste my black shirt." And then y'all roll up. I was wearing black pants or the gray pants, and she's like, "Khakis look better. It gives me that Greek vibe, Greece vibe." So I switched to it, and now I see why.
That's why. We're at the gourmet experience on top of the El Corte Inglés Mall.
It's like the rooftop.
7th floor.
Let's check it out.
7th floor.
Yo, this is a food court.
That's crazy.
You never have a mall where you go on the roof and you go eat and you can see everything. This is
Good thing we went here. Shoot.
Yes.
How are you liking the mall here in Europe?
it's pretty nice. There's a lot of selection. It's different though because like you go into the mall area, it doesn't have separate stores. It's all just one floor with all the different brands in there, and it's interesting.
I'm excited to see the other mall, Colombo. It's a really big mall. It's the biggest mall here in Lisbon or just in Portugal. I don't know.
I really love the view. You can see everything. It's so cool. Nice view. Perfect picture op and nice area to have lunch at.
What are we doing, guys?
All right, we're trying some desserts and pastries before we have lunch because it just looks
Yeah.
really good.
Especially this one.
This one, very soft cake, kind of powdery looking, but it looks yummy.
It looks really good.
The guy said that I'm going to eat the entire plate. So, and he said, "You'll come back."
I like it.
But we'll see. We'll see how good this thing is.
Cheers.
Not too sweet.
No, not at all.
Wow. It's really good.
Wow, how do you even describe that?
I don't know. It's
Rich
really
flavor,
good.
soft.
Wow.
I don't
You
know,
have
it
to
just-
get a whole cake.
Yeah, you might have to go the
How
whole
much is
thing.
the cake?
I don't know.
It tastes like magic.
It tastes like magic. Magic in a cake.
Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Cheers.
Really good.
I'm not
Favorite
into cake either, and this
dessert.
thing is busting. We're gonna try the other stuff now.
This one looks like a hot pocket.
So we just got done trying all these pastries. My favorite one is a chocolate cake.
My favorite one is the chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
My favorite is this one. But yes, chocolate cake's good too.
Clear cut winner. All I can say is, after trying several Portuguese pastries, I have to say, although the regular food is quite salty, the dessert on the other hand is not too sweet.
Yeah.
And that's why I really like the desserts here.
Again.
Alright guys, so today has been a very chill day. We basically went to the mall at like 2 p.m. But prior to that, we were just resting. If you didn't notice, as the days have gone on, our energy levels have been going down. It's been a lot of fun, but it's like really tiring. But that comes with travel, right? Now we are going to spend the evening at Praco de Comercio. You already saw that in our last vlog. It's like the square area with all the shopping, the coffee shops. But we're gonna check it out at night, and then we're gonna check out Time Out Market again because we want to get the tiger prawns that are so well known here in Portugal. So hopefully we get that, and I'll show you guys if we do.
We are in No Solo, Italia.
We're here for the iced coffee again because
It's good.
their iced coffee is really good. Even though there's like no ice in it, but it's so good.
Yeah, everybody, The iced coffee here was so good we had to come back for it. And when we went in the afternoon, this place was not very crowded. Now it is extremely busy, so it seems to me that this area, or just Portugal in general, comes to life at night. It's kind of like a Las Vegas, but in Europe.
We are at the Timeout Market again. We're going to get some dinner. Looking at the Timeout Market right now, this hour on a Saturday night, it is pretty busy, but we're going to find a place to eat, a table, and then we're going to enjoy the food.
That looks epic awesome. What y'all finna get, man?
We got the combo con Faria.
Oh.
Yeah, so 16 pieces.
How is it? It's really good?
This green one, that's the first one I tried. Surprisingly, it's good.
Oh.
So far, they're all good.
I'm going to try the green one.
Okay.
This is gonna be the best one right here. Tuna.
The green one. Let's see.
Wow, I didn't expect like a little crunch in the middle. The sauce is good too.
We're gonna get to dinner. We're gonna eat all of this up. Oh, I also got an alcoholic drink called caipirinha. It's like a mojito. Let's try it. Oh, it's good. It is nice and refreshing. I don't like minty drinks like mojito, but this is good. Anyways, thanks for watching our vlog. We're probably gonna end the night here and head back. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. And tomorrow we have another adventure that awaits us. Cheers.